Good day everyone, my name is Jipo M. Lazaro. So today I will present my Smart Health Appointment System. So this system is designed to help patient book appointment easily and safely. So first, the user can register or log in by using their name, age, and password. So second, after logging, the user can see the menu. There was four options, which is the first is book appointment, view summary, view service, and exit. So when booking an appointment, the system is display available service like check-up, dental, and eye exam. And after that, the patient select service and system saves and the appointment. So the view summary option show the patient name, age, and total appointment book. And the systems continues running until the user choose to exit. So overall, this program helps organize clinic appointment and makes booking safely and efficiently.
खत्म बाय बाय।